I'm going to show you how to log in on Class Dojo as a student. First, I'll show you on a tablet, and then I'll show you on a computer. Right now I have the tablet open. I'm going to click on the Class Dojo app. And what comes up is the parent page. I'm logged in as a parent. You'll see on the bottom, you see stories and messages. This is your parent page. You can scroll through the story, access messages. In the top left, you'll see a person within the purple circle. You're going to click on that, and you'll see there are two accounts. By logging in as a parent, it automatically creates the student account linked to that parent. So you should see your student's name listed under your name. I'll click on where it says Test VO2. I'll click on the student account. And what comes up is the student page. You'll see the classes the student is in, and then the feed. I'll go ahead and click on VO2 2019-2020. That's the class the student is in. When I open it, it shows to-do items. These are tasks or assignments or prompts that the teacher has posted for the student to complete. You only can see these when you're logged in on the student account. I'm going to click one of them to show you what the assignment looks like. I'll click Test iPad. And then I will hit Start. And what comes up is a screen with some options of how you might respond to the prompt. The student can click the pencil and draw. Or go in, hit the ABC and type. Or also add some stickers, which include numbers and letters. And then when the student is done, the student can click on the top, the little picture of what looks like a paper airplane in the blue circle, and then hand in. If the student wants, before handing it in, the student can also attach a voice recording by clicking the red microphone. The student can record their voice and then hit the pause button when they're done, and then on the top right, click the check mark. Now they're going to send in their image, which could be a drawing or the text, and then the bottom has the voice note. Now they're going to click hand in. It moves on the to-do list, it moves under to the completed section, and it's waiting for teacher feedback. Again, this is only visible in the student account. Now if you click on the top left, click the back arrow. Now you see on the top left, again, that the person within the circle. And if you click that person, you can switch between the two accounts, the parent account and the student account. Under the student account, by opening up a class, the student can see any items that the teacher has assigned to the student. Now I'm going to show you how to log in from a computer. Right now I'm logged in on a computer under a parent account. I'm going to click on Messages, and I'm going to look for a message from the classroom teacher with a student dojo link. You can click on this link, or you can copy and paste it into a new tab. I'm going to go ahead and click on the link, and in the new tab, it will open up the student page. I see the stories, and then on the top, the to-do items. Again, this can only be visible, the to-do items can only be visible when logged in as the student. I'm going to click Start next to Test. The screen looks a little bit different than on the iPad, but it has the same features. On the left, I can click the pencil and draw. I can click the T for text box and type. And then in the bottom right, I can record voice. I can now save the item and hand in. This clears the item away from the to-do list. Now there's nothing left on the to-do list. On a computer, you'll notice that it has a portfolio section. If you click the portfolio, you see the items that your student has submitted and also items where the student has received feedback. You can also go to Home, and the student can view the class story. I'm going to switch back to the iPad. On the iPad, instead of using the term portfolio, Class Dojo will put those items under the completed section. So you have your to-do and the completed. Back onto the computer, we're looking at Home or Portfolio to see items that have been completed. Again, this is how to log in as a student on either a tablet, a device, a phone, or on the computer.